Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Auto channel. Yeah, today I'm working on this like a 2013 Chevy Impala. This time it's like for the passenger temperature control for the AC. Yeah, like this side, this fan and this fan always come out cold no matter what. You adjust the temperature of this one. So here's the symptoms. Let me put in the key, turn it to on positions. Well, let's wait until the beep go away. Okay, so if I adjust the, I hope you can hear it. Let me get closer to the van. If I adjust the driver's side, you can see like you can hear the move. But if I do the passenger side, have like no noise at all. So based on what I find, it seems like the actuator here is broken. So let's see. Let me get a light. It's so dark here. Yeah, so let's see. Here's the tap. So if I pull it down firmly in the middle, yeah, that's the tap. And here's another one. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, yeah, I need to push up this piece right here. After that, it just dropped. It dropped. The actuator is right there. Here. Yep, that's the actuator. I don't know what's the size of that bolt. Seems like one on top. That's it. Now maybe have another one. On the bottom. Yeah, one on the top, one on the bottom. And then have the black connector. Alright, let me get some tool. Okay, so I use a hook. Go underneath like the tap here. And then pull it. And then the two bolts is like about 5.5 millimeter. Alright, let me deal with the bottom one first. Okay, one's out. The one on the top. Oh, wow. Okay, just pull it out. I bought, there's a part number. Well, it's not sponsored. Yeah. So let's take it out. Yeah, so make sure they're the same. That's the new one, that's the old one. Well, the shape look alike and have a 3 mounting point, I guess. Yeah, the connector look alike on the back. So the only difference is the position. Yeah, that one's like is horizontal. That one like have a bit angle. So if I hook up the connector back, I should able to control this by turning or moving the passenger temperature adjustment knob. Alright, so keep that in the car. I use a reference, and then yeah, let's try this. Alright, so I hook up the connector. So if I now, so the connector on the top, now this thing is vertical. If I look back to my old one, if the connector on the top, this thing is like I don't know, 11 o'clock. Yeah, sorry for the lighting. Nope. Alright, what I did is like this thing never stopped, so like so where the connector? Just touching it, not don't do the click. So now adjust the temperature knob until it, and then once it's there, I just unplug it. Yep, now it's in the positions. Alright, let's try to install. Yeah. It seems better. I think it's sort of lined up because I got this right here is the guide pin. Right here. This one. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Like this one is the guide pin. It hook up and then yeah. Okay, I think that's right. It's snug. So plug this back in. If now it should hear some noise. The last thing you need to do is just like push the glove box back. There you go. I think it's fixed. All right. So that one's working now. Yeah, definitely making some noise. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.